This is one of the coolest content creation kits I have seen for a phone. This is the ShiftCam Travel Kit. And we can see the image here on the back. It's got a lot of different modes and ways you can use this. It's MagSafe compatible. It's got a pocket light. It has a stand selfie, and it's also got a grip so your phone feels and looks like a camera. I'm going to unbox this thing and put everything together and kind of show you how it works. And then I'll leave a link below if you like what you see. These are affiliate links. Doesn't cost you anything, but you can go ahead and click and order through there if you'd like, and that'll help the channel. Otherwise, hope you enjoy the video. Let's take a look inside of the travel kit. So now this is an all-in-one magnetic gear for your phones. It's got a really nice box here. I say it has a really nice box, but these little stickers always give me trouble. Alright, this is Shift Cam. They have Shift Lens. This guy over here for now. Snap Series. We've got like a little postcard here. It's a warranty card. Nice. We've got the starter kit, so it's got the essential grip, the pocket light, the selfie, and the snap clamp. Very nice documentation here. All right. Get out each component here. All right, so this is like the selfie stick slash tripod. It doesn't look like a self-deploying tripod. So each leg will be independently taken out. And if we just pop that there, we can see that fully extended. And then it does have a magnetic remote, which is great because you know what? I lose those all the time. So everything snaps just like the namesake. And then we have a magnetic kit right here. So you can just pop your phone right onto there. Maybe it's on the back. There we go. You just pop it onto the back there and you are good to go. So that is the tripod stand portion, and it does fold up really nicely there. So taking it out, not a lot of force is needed here. And we'll set that to the side. The next component we have is actually a two-part component. So we have this is a light. The light has a mirror. So let me take this off. It actually has a mirror so you can see yourself in case you're not broadcasting with that on. There is a USB-C charge port here for the light. It came with zero charge right now, which is okay. We'll charge that up later so we can see that. That can actually snap onto the kit, and then you can snap your phone onto here. If we'll do that one more time. So if you're shooting some content and you're doing it in horizontal, I don't seem to think you can do this in vertical. You'd be covering it. So in horizontal, you would have the light right here. You can turn that on with a little button, and then you can have your phone horizontal. So you can actually position this out and shoot in kind of a selfie mode. So that's really cool. The next component we have, I will actually need the camera again. So for here, this is a camera grip. So what you're going to do is connect this via Bluetooth. And then when you want to go shoot pictures, you actually have a grip that you can shoot with. And that's actually really nice. It feels like a real camera in your hands. So it's actually very fancy. I like that a lot. It does, I mean, obviously it makes it pretty bulky, and then it does have a charge port down here, so you can charge that with USB-C. But if you are a photography enthusiast and you don't want to use your thumb to take a picture and look at the screen, you just want to use a traditional method of taking pictures, this is great. You can keep your hands free, you know, from the screen, and then just click the button there and you're good to go. But this is actually a 5,000 milliamp battery. So when you're taking this on the go, this will wirelessly charge your phone, or you can hook up a cable here and plug it into your phone there if you don't have wireless charging. So you can disable wireless charging with this button right here. And this is your shutter button. So this will actually connect. You don't even have to have it on your phone. You can shoot from, I think it's 10 meters away, but when it's on your phone, you can actually charge your phone on the go while you're shooting. I think that's really super cool. This item is the only thing I can't figure out what it actually does. It doesn't magnetize to the phone. So the only thing I can think of is that it would just be comfortable to hold your phone like this, but it doesn't, like, it will not, it's not magnetized, so it doesn't work with MagSafe. All right, folks, that is it for the ShiftCam Creator Kit. So everything that you get is here. The selfie stick with the remote. The remote is USB rechargeable, so that's great. This has a magnetic clamp for all of your accessories. This is the ShiftCam grip, which attaches to the back of your phone and also charges your phone. I think that's super cool. I did not know that until I actually read more documentation. And then the light is the last piece here. So the light clips on the back of all of these accessories, and it has a little mirror. You can charge this guy via USB-C. And that's your kit for on the go. So if you're doing mobile content, I think this has pretty much everything you would need. It has a light. We have the selfie stick, which is extendable and is also a tripod, which is a super bonus. Everything is really sturdy. It's all plastic, and the internal is the rod is like an aluminum rod on this whenever you extend. So it's super lightweight, but it doesn't feel super flimsy. So whenever I set it up, didn't feel like it was going to, you know, instantly break anything, which is a super plus. Everything folds really nicely, stays in place. So really liking it so far. I think we'll be able to create a lot of cool content with it. But if you're looking for something for your phone, whether you have iPhone or whether you have a phone that you can put something that's MagSafe on there, I think this is a great creator kit. Has pretty much everything you need. Just remember, charge everything before you go, because there are 3 components that require USB-C charging, but at least the grip has built-in charging for your phone, so you won't wear it on the battery while you're out taking photos. That's it for this video. Happy creating content with this guy. If you do pick it up, make sure you check out the link below. That's the affiliate link. Again, it costs nothing and supports the channel, so appreciate that if you do click on there and subscribe for more.